Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm driving from Azumini in Ukwa-East local government area of Abia State, and I'm going to Aba. So this was what I saw on this road that shocked me. Like, I was so shocked. Now, what you're seeing on your screen is Azumini. This is Azumini in Abia State. But then, few minutes into this journey, I saw a signpost written Ika local government area of Akwa Ibom state. And I was like, but I thought we were still in Abia state. And then the guy driving me told me a long story that I cannot narrate here. Maybe you should look it up online. But while you're driving along this Azumili road, which is in Abia State, you're going to get into a local government that looks like it's inside Abia State, but it's not Abia State. Now, this is where the story gets interesting. Now, when you get into the local government that says Ika local government of Akwa Ibom State, while you're still driving along this Azumili road, few minutes driving in the Ika local government, just few minutes, you will still see another signboard written Akirika in Ukwa-East local government area. People from Ukwa-East watching this video, or from Ika local government watching this video, can explain better to us how this is so shocking to me, because I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen anything like this. Like, you just be driving, okay, just like right now, we just left Ukwa-East and we are in Akwa Ibom State. No editing, no cutting. In just few minutes, we'll still see ourselves back to Ukwa-East local government while still driving on this road. So this is Ika local government area of Akwa Ibom State. If you're coming from Aba, the moment you pass Akirika, you will get into Ika local government. Now, Akirika is in Ukwa-East, remember. But once you pass Akirika, you're going to get to Ika local government of Akwa Ibom. And you'll be thinking, okay, you're going to drive deeper into Akwa Ibom. But no, few minutes drive and then you get yourself back into Ukwa-East local government area in Abia State. So like I said, people from this area should tell us, or if you know anything about this place and why it's like this, you can tell us in the comment section. So if it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. Ukwa-East is a local government area in Abia State where you have the Azumini Blue River. So I visited the Azumini Blue River and the video is right here on my channel. So if you want to see what the Azumini Blue River looks like, just scroll down on my channel and then you would see the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you will get a notification and you can be able to watch the video. So just in case you're coming from Aba to Azumini, and then you pass Akirika Ubu and see yourself in Akwa Ibom State, the Ika local government. Don't get scared though. Don't think you have lost or you are going inside Akwa Ibom State. No, the reason is like this is because Akirika Ubu shares, you see, we're in Akirika Ukwa-East again. So the reason is like this is because Akirika Ubu shares a direct, heavily disputed boundary with Ikotodo, a village in Ika local government area of Akwa Ibom State. Due to colonial era decrees, this village was essentially split into two. The section in Ika LGA identifies as Ikotodo, while the adjacent section in Ukwa-East identifies as Akirika Ubu. So guys, kindly watch the video down to the end to see what my journey was like while I was traveling from Azumini to Aba, all in Abia State.